So this is the second principle of mental training and visualization. The second principle of mental training and visualization is that while yes, mental training and visualization recaptures the same patterns of neural firing in the exact same ways as real world behavior and thinking, it is not as effective as real world behavior and thinking. In other words, if you want to learn something, the ideal situation is to combine real training in the physical world with mental training. Now, there's a really incredible set of experiments that illustrate why it is that mental training and visualization can be extremely effective, but that it's always going to be most effective when combined with real world training and experiences. These are figures or objects that when you look at them, they have these odd features. One good example would be the so-called Mobius strips. But then if you look at it a little bit longer, that little piece that's facing up looks like it's in front. And you can't really tell what's in front and what's in back. Bistable images are somewhat similar, although different in the sense that they typically are simple silhouettes. So for instance, the Faces Vases bistable image is perhaps the most famous of these, where you look at this image, it's very simple and it looks like two vases. But then you look at it a little bit longer and you realize that you're looking at the side angle or the profile of two faces looking at one another. And when you see those two faces looking at one another, you can't see the vases at the same time, but